Here I am in Lake Wilson, here in North Carolina. It's a beautiful view out there, and good thing I'm on an adventure on my own. Now that I'm here, the real question is there any birds in the trees? Well, here's the thing it's a little chilly out here, but maybe there could be a few birds around here, so let's see if I can keep searching around here to get birds on camera. Maybe there's fishes in here, I'm not really too sure. It's really hard to see because the sun is bright. Alright then, let this adventure begin on my own. Let's see. Maybe I could get horses on camera here, but apparently I don't see them in this field. There's a moon right there, which is good. I'm just looking around to see if there's anything I could get on camera. Apparently I don't see any birds. Maybe I'll see them soon, so maybe I'll see them soon. Where are the ospreys? Where are the turkey vultures, red-shouldered hawks, something like that? Where could they even be? Where are the fishes? Where are the horses? Maybe there is horses over there, but I don't see anything in the field, so let me see if there's any birds up here. No sign of birds yet. Apparently I don't see any fishes in here yet, but there has to be something I could get on camera for good. Something that could get this video in views. It appears people like to throw tree branches in the lake. No birds in here. Maybe in this tree? Definitely not. What is this thing? Not sure. That thing is weird. Oh, look what I got. Now these are the ducks that are flying. And apparently they're taking off this way. There's a white bird. Which way are they going? Oh, they're going to the other side. It is what it is. Now, there has to be more somewhere. What a lovely view over here. You know, I wish I want to continue to walk all the way over there, but sadly, I think I'm good stopping right here. I'm trying to figure out what's with this string hanging from a tree. Like that other tree I saw. Let me see, where are these ducks? Oh, I see them over there. Let me see if I could try to get a zoom in. These things look very interesting. I'll have to look on Google to see what kind of ducks are they. I'm not sure if those are really ducks, but to me they almost look like geeses or mallard ducks. Well, good thing I got them on camera. What's that over there? It looks like a bridge. Sort of. There's another thing over there. Well, oh look, there's a bird up there. Let me see if I can look at it. Not sure what kind of bird that is. It almost looks like a mourning dove or sort of like an eastern bluebird, maybe. Whatever kind of bird that is, I'll have to look on Google to see. This thing is like white, orange, and grayish. It looks cool to get it on camera right there. But you know what? Let's say that I come over here just to see these ducks over there. It looks very interesting. With that, to all of you eagles and horses, I am officially gonna head back. Maybe next time, when I return back here, I will keep going all the way over there. Oh look! What's this? You guys know what kind of bird this is? Look! This thing is black. Wow. I don't even remember seeing these type of birds in Florida. Now when you guys come over here, please read that sign. And do not disobey it. Wow. Just had to look around for a second, in case I miss anything. I'm not sure why this is there. There's no way there used to be fences here. Lake Wilson Disc Golf. Interesting. Oh, well, look what I found. Hey, I'm just getting you guys on camera. No need to look at me from behind. It's okay. So these are mallard ducks. Huh. Pretty cool. That plane's a little bit weird. But good thing I got you guys on camera. And you see, there was another string on that tree over there. Now, this here has a string and a stick hanging right there. And people like to litter. Alright, Mallard Ducks, just want to get you guys on camera. Hope you guys have a good time. Alright. With that, to all of you eagles and horses, that is going to be it. Until next time, like and subscribe. May the eagles and horses be with all of you, and may Jesus Christ, the Lord and Savior, be with all of us always and forever. See you guys, hopefully soon. Let's go. There's a bird right there. Another one. Alright. Let's go.